Alumni Cup is a 2-week competition where all of the engineering departments all build a Rube Goldberg machine that completes a very specific task. This year, Testudo will be making a nice trip across campus. So our machines will be moving a small Testudo 3D printed statue. Hopefully it will be an interesting way to get our creativity going and see how we can get Testudo to move across the campus successfully.
It's my 3rd year doing Alumni Cup, and for the first time we obviously did it virtually and won. So as a freshman winning something, I was like, wow, this is really exciting.
Alumni Cup is a great way to bring everyone from the Clark School community together. It's a great way to get the alumni back and seeing what us students have been up to, and also a way for us students building the machines to show what we've got and what we've got in the works.
It's a way for me to make friends and represent their department pride by having some departmental components.
The Alumni Cup is important because it gives the students something to look forward to. It gives a way for them to display their department pride. And it's also just a great challenge and a great thing to put on display for not only the engineering community, but also University of Maryland as a whole.
In 3rd place, aerospace engineering. 2nd place, we have mechanical engineering. And in 1st place, this is a tough one, it's hard to repeat, we have chemical engineering. Don't drop it.